how to create a new Apple ID. Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. To create a new Apple ID, you will need to go to your browser. Once here, type appleid.apple.com. And once here, you go to this arrow at the top right corner. And once here, go to create your Apple ID. Now, just fill in this information, your name, last name, your country or region, birth date, email, and create your username for your Apple ID. Now create a password and confirm the password. Here you'll need to type your phone number. You can choose to verify your account by an SMS or a phone call. Checkmark these two options and then just write down the code you can see in the image. Now scroll down till you find continue. Once you do that, you will be able to create a new Apple ID. And that's it, guys. I hope it has been useful for you. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.